Day 25, the family experience, the FamX talk, talking about one very special thing, unplug and reconnect. Yes, unplug all your regular activities and reconnect with the people that you feel that the experience will make a change in your life. That's what the Christmas is for. You connect with regular people, but on your Christmas time, the special time, you try to reconnect with the people that make memories, that make an impact in your life. I was experiencing that today. Disconnect from my very special connection is with the social media. Disconnect and then connect with the real people so that I can have bit more human connectivity, can share the stories, can share the memories and share your dreams and plans for future and get encouraged, get motivated. That's a great way to motivate the whole family. So, if you have kids and if you reconnect with the people who have kids, so they can have connection through different games, different activities, and then you can have chit chat with the whole family. That's how you can reconnect. And that's the real way of connecting people. And that's the reason why Christmas is becoming a tradition to connect with the family and friends and talk about the whole year and what was the great things happen, what was the mishap happens, and what can be the next milestone in your life. So if you haven't done so far, just do that. Unplug everything that's in the usual life and reconnect with someone who can motivate you. Make sure those people will motivate you. This is FamX Talks from Melbourne.